first day intros to those we see out here.
Every senior here has them.
And let's take a trip down the memory lane, a path of nostalgia. Rush.
ये पुकार है वो जिंदगी भी जिंदगी है क्या जिसम
మనం వేసే స్టెప్స్ ను వాళ్ళు విజిల్ చేస్తే టాప్ లేచిపోవాలి.
నువ్వే బయటేసి అట్టా దోపేసి पिक्चर చూపించి పిచ్చెక్కించినావన్నా.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दो.
चमेली दे की चिकना कमीना देखा चांदने ची डर होके बजने ते धड़क धड़क ढोल ताश धड़क धड़क भंडारा झिड़क झिड़क धीरे धीरे बड़ी चली छोटी चिंगारी छोटी
Gutti puppy na me take me.
లాలా కూడా అంబర్పేట మల్లెపల్లి మలకపేట టిల్లు అన్నాది డీజే టిల్లు పేరు వినిస్తారే వేరు ఒకే మోహిత సిరు
hosted a program more amazing than it is today. All of us just sat back. I think we didn't have a farewell in our school days. It was super special to see not just the students share the stage, but our teachers also sharing the stage. It's highly sportive of our dear teachers. Put your hands together to applaud for a school that you belong to, where the teachers do not fight shy to host any kind of a program for each one of you. And for me, I think this is the 12th batch. I and Sudha ma'am, the director, were the first members with our chairman sir, Sri Kumaria sir, and director Pallavi ma'am, who started class 11 in 2011. And you are the 12th batch of Sitar. Sitaron ki Shah. All of you are the stars of Delhi Public School, Natural. 484 sitar here in front of us, and I'm sure like the stars you're going to be shining bright. You're really going to make all of us super proud. We started way back in 2011 very humble. The school has scaled up. The fact that the day we became a senior secondary school, the opportunities galore that were offered to us from CBSE, first batch. With the permission of Aisudha ma'am, Vice Principal, I would like to declare that the first senior secondary head boy, Saurabh, is getting married to the first cultural secretary of the first batch, to Shreya. Very soon, they are formally engaged. Our son of our management members, Mr. Yashasvi Malka, CEO and director, is formally engaged and will be getting married on the 2nd of March. Our very young dynamic head girl, Tribhuwana ma'am, has become the director of the group of schools, and I'm sure every single child and our alumnus comes back to touch our feet, bow their head to the other. All the best to all of you, and thank you so much. Take care, be a proud DPS student and a proud Indian. Thank you.
And of course, the most important, all the Sitare who have been seated here. Very good afternoon to all of you. Not able to hear you. Good afternoon. Yes, that's the energy, right? I'll not take much time because I know what celebration is all about. I have been, watching you singing songs, dancing to the numbers. That was really amazing. But let me take, 2 to 3 minutes of my time to just give you some insight of what is most important for you in just 3 points, okay? And this is very important for the 12th grade students. Now you're all, 17-year-old, and the next 180 days are supposed to be the most important days for you all. So we wish you all the best for the board exams and also for all the competitive exams which you will be facing in the month of May and June. The first point is this 6-month period, it is called as the point of transition. I hope all of you for the first 90 days, then the next 90 days you take care of your academics well so that you move into the professional colleges. Now the second point which I want to reiterate is the next 5 years of your professional excellence will depend upon the point of transition. What happens once the board exams are done, majority of you will relax. And finally, as Sunita ma'am was mentioning, wherever you are going to be across the globe, ensure that there are 3 things that are taken care of. That is, righteousness in dedication, righteousness in discipline, and most important, righteousness in your character. Because the intellectual change centuries from Vivekananda said, where there is character, there is knowledge, and where there is discipline, there is growth. I hope all of you are very clear about these basics. Thank you so much. And I again appeal to all my dear students that enjoy your professional life ahead. And आज की शाम सितारों के गाने. Thank you so much.
Good afternoon. It is a very happy moment to develop you up to this stage. You should not remember them. You should remember them, and you should have the always connect. And you should always have the alumni connect. And we are doing some of the projects in alumni. And wherever you go, and you should always come back to DPS Madhana and have a good relationship with your teachers and with the school. A lot of future is there for you, and world is looking at India, and India is growing fastest economy in the world. And you take any field, everywhere they are developing. You take the railways, airlines, any infrastructure or any education side or any developments. Especially last 10 years, under Prime Minister Modi, we are very lucky to have Prime Minister Mr. Modi. That 4 or 5 years you do hard work and study well and be a good citizen of this country. And we have the great nation and whole world looking at us. And whatever you want, be sincere to yourself and pursue, you will achieve. Whatever you want, be patient, and with continuous efforts you try, finally you achieve it, whatever you want. And don't waste time, don't forget your teachers, and don't forget about your school. And finally, you should be always be proud of Indian citizen, and you should be proud. And always you should connect with school and have a great alumni connect. And all the best for your coming 12th exams and then next professional colleges. And you will be rest assured, be focused, and you will succeed whatever you want. Thank you.